Welcome to the Clearwave Fiber Customer Administration Portal Training Video Series. In this series, you'll learn how to manage your company's hosted voice service by following brief demonstrations of the different settings in the administration portal. In this video, we're going to cover how to manage your hunt groups in the Customer Admin Portal. Hunt groups are one of the pivotal features of many hosted voice systems as it programs the way calls are delivered to your business. To access the Hunt Group settings from your landing page, click Enterprise Services, then click on Hunt Groups. Most customers only need one Hunt Group. Some customers may need multiple Hunt Groups. The details of your Hunt Group programming is gathered before our voice engineers begin to provision your services, so any information you provide about your call flow will already be built when your services are installed. In this example, we have two Hunt Groups set up. We can name the Hunt Groups whatever makes the most sense for your business. You'll see here we're divided into sales and support. This helps ensure that calls flow to the appropriate departments. Notice how each Hunt Group has its own extension? This is done to ensure the auto attendant directs the call to the correct group. We'll cover more about the auto attendant in another video. Let's take a look at the Sales Number 1 Hunt Group. To view the provisioning, click the Edit button in the Action column. I'll touch on the most common features that you'll interact with in your Hunt Group. More information about Hunt Groups can be found at our support site at www.clearwavefiber.com/userguides. The Hunt Group name and caller ID are editable, so if you need to change the Hunt Group name or the caller ID after installation, you can do so here. You'll see the option to enable or disable call waiting on the phones in your Hunt Group. If your employees report that they aren't getting call waiting notifications when they're on the phone, be sure to check this setting. The hunting policy is where you can modify how incoming calls are delivered to the phones in your Hunt Group. Most of our customers opt for a simultaneous ring, which means every phone in the Hunt Group rings at the same time until the call is answered. The other most commonly used policy is circular, which is where the call is delivered to the first person on the list, and if unanswered, rolls to the next person, so on and so forth. Now, let's say you need to add an extension to your Hunt Group. To do this, click the Add Users button, locate the extension that needs to be added and select it, then click the Submit button. The extension is now added to the list. If you need to remove an extension, locate it in the list, then click the Delete button. The extension is now removed. Finally, on the right side, the most common feature you'll interact with is the call forwarding options, specifically the option to forward unanswered calls to a destination number as shown here. If an incoming call to this Hunt Group is not answered after 18 seconds, the call is forwarded to the voicemail of extension 1002. If you need to change the extension for calls to leave messages on another line, be sure to enter *55 followed by the extension. *55 is the command to send calls directly to voicemail so the caller doesn't continue to hear the phone ring. Just like any other changes you make in CAP, if you make any changes in your Hunt Group, be sure to click the Save button so that the changes are saved.